Phasmophobia today, but havent out of Boko-chan and I. Who do you think?
Wait a minute.
Hold on,
I'm ready.
stuff. I'm getting stuff for everyone. I'm getting stuff for everyone.
I have no
Thank
money.
you.
I will be your sugar mama for today. That's the word,
Oh,
right?
hell yeah.
Yeah.
Our little sugar rock.
Until I run out of money anyway.
How do you have so much?
She grinded.
How much did you play, Bijou?
Because I've been hosted by a certain senpai.
Flashback.
Ooh.
I've been... It's Stockholm Syndrome.
I see. I see.
I think I added everything.
Probably.
Oh yeah, you added everything.
Okay,
Definitely,
okay,
for
good.
sure.
Okay, ready. Have you guys played Phasmo before?
Yes.
Have you played since the update though?
No.
Okay, so it's gonna be different.